The 2020 BMW 4 Series encapsulates the brand's extravagance family and celebrated driving commitment. There's an energetic roadster for fans and a hardtop convertible for sun searchers. While a 4-chamber motor with back tire drive is standard. An everything-wheel drive is offered, the gutsy discretionary 6-chamber is sleek and is very eco-friendly.
In spite of the inside steady tasteful and absence of cubby stockpiling, the Lodge is tranquil and traveler space is ample.
The 4 has some positive standard hardware and offers horde extravagance highlights, yet the last option can undoubtedly expand the reality. In any case, the 2024 series is exemplary BMW, with a wonderfully firm ride and staggering taking care of. The 2024 series persists for the most part unaltered, however the car and convertible add recently standard elements and various choices. Driver helps, for example, robotized crisis slowing down, forward impact advance notice, person on foot. Foot recognition, path takeoff cautioning, and more are currently standard. The 4 likewise gets minor styling changes that incorporate more obscure taillights, dark grille and compasses, and a refreshed back diffuser. The other 2020 increases are Mocha Dakota calfskin, carbon fiber trim, new wheel plans, and new paint tones, Mediterranean blue and dusk orange. Convertible models are as of now not accessible with the M-Game brakes. The BMW 4 Series base cost is $45,945, which intently lines up with the Audi A5 and the Mercedes C-Class. The accessible convertible and turbocharged 6-chamber both altogether increment the cost. While we favor the car body style, the speedy and effective 6 merits the speculation.
We'd likewise choose the no-cost manual transmission, but programmed is standard, and pass on the $2,000 all-wheel drive framework.
All things being equal, we'd spruce up the generally sullen Lodge with one of the overhauled upholstery choices for $1,450. The M-Game bundle, $3,400, further upgrades the 4's driving person with a sportier suspension and incorporates special bodywork and restrictive inside highlights. The $1,700 track taking care of bundle amplifies the 4's presentation potential with versatile dampers, redesigned brakes, stickier tires, and variable directing. The 430i is fueled by a fiery 248 horsepower turbocharged 4-chamber, while the 440i flaunts a 320 horsepower turbocharged inline-6 that satisfies BMW's standing as an organization that makes extraordinary motors. Back tire drive is standard, however all models can be furnished with all-wheel drive. The 2 motors give a sizable amount of forward push to keep things intriguing. The last 440i car we tried went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Faster than any opponent. While an 8-speed programmed transmission is standard, a 6-speed manual transmission is accessible on specific models. Guide your focus toward the in-your-face BMW M4, checked on independently, for no limits. Execution. While the customary 4 Series will not convey a white-knuckle driving experience, its frame quickly adjusts to the vivacious idea of twisty dirt roads or the casual solace of dark top streets. In any case, the BMW is at its best blitzing down a thrilling street where its body movement is negligible. In our cornering test, it had minimal measure of grasp of its opponents, however that is not an incrimination of the car's presentation. Its best characteristic is mixing athletic dealing with an amade ride.